Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to correct a left-handed golf slice. First, let's identify the root causes of this frustrating shot. Often, a slice stems from an open club face at impact or an outside-in swing path. By making a few key adjustments to your grip and setup, you can start hitting straighter, more powerful shots. We'll cover specific techniques that are easy to implement on the range or course. To begin, focus on your grip. For a left-handed golfer, strengthen your left hand grip by rotating it slightly to the right so you see 2 or 3 knuckles. Then, ensure your right hand fits snugly over your left thumb, creating a unified hold. For setup, position the ball slightly forward in your stance, about 1 to 2 inches inside your lead heel for irons, promoting a better attack angle. Next, let's refine your swing path. The goal is an inside-out motion, meaning your club approaches the ball from slightly behind you and then extends towards the target. Visualize hitting the inside half of the ball. After impact, ensure a full, balanced follow-through, finishing with your chest facing the target. Consistent practice with this path will help eliminate that pesky slice and promote a powerful draw. To solidify these changes, incorporate practice drills. Use alignment sticks to clearly define your target line and visualize that inside-out swing path. Recording your swing with a phone can also provide invaluable feedback, helping you spot subtle issues. Remember, consistency is key, so dedicate regular time to these drills. Also, for other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.